In this video, I'm going to show you how you can receive money on your PayPal account in 2021. So this is actually really easy. So when you signed up with your PayPal, you've created an email, right? You signed up with an email account, and that is also your PayPal email. So when they want to send money to you, so in order to receive money, the sender needs to use that email in order to receive money on your end. So if people click on send money, they can go ahead and send you money. So the easiest way for you to receive money is by simply giving them your email. So let's say that test email 9 blah 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 at Gmail. That's your email, right? If this is your PayPal email, all you need to do is give that to the person that needs to send you money. If they then type in your email right here, they can then go ahead and send you money. So if they then type in whatever amount and they click on continue and send, that's how you can receive money, and it's literally that easy. So you don't need to do anything special. Just give the sender your email, they type in that email, and they can send you that amount. So that's pretty simple. You don't need to do anything to receive it. So yeah, if this video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like, and then I'll see you next time.